Hello, today we will guide you through how to download historical data from Koyfin. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the platform and how to export the data you need from your watch lists. Make sure you're signed in to your Koyfin account so the relevant menus and lists are available. Start on the Koyfin home area called Today's Markets. This is the main dashboard where you land to see market overviews, movers, and quick snapshots. Give the page a moment to load, then direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. This sidebar is the hub for tools and lists you use frequently, and it's where you'll find the entries related to watch lists. Look for the section that references your watch list in the left navigation. It may appear as watch lists or something similar, and within that section you'll see an option labeled My Watch Lists. This is where your saved collections of tickers live, such as stocks, ETFs, or other instruments you're tracking. If you maintain multiple lists, take a second to identify the one that contains the symbols you want historical data for. Keeping your list clearly named helps you avoid exporting the wrong set. Click on My Watch List to open the watch list interface. You'll see the tickers, columns, and any metrics you typically display in that view. This page is the starting point for your data export. Confirm you're on the correct list and that it reflects the universe of securities you want to analyze. It's a good habit to scan the first few rows to ensure everything looks familiar before proceeding. Next, click on Download. The download control is generally placed near the top area of the watch list page. When you click it, Koyfin prepares a file containing the historical data tied to the items in your list. The export will save to your browser's default download location, usually the Downloads folder. Once it finishes, you can open the file in your preferred spreadsheet tool to sort, chart, or run further analysis. If you don't see a file appear, check that your browser allows downloads from the site and that no extensions are blocking the action. Also, larger watch lists may take a bit longer to generate, so give it a moment. A quick recap: go to Today's Markets, find your watch list in the left navigation, open My Watch List, and click Download. With these steps, you can reliably pull historical data from Koyfin and move straight into your analysis.